Namaste, everybody, and welcome to today's program on tongue cleaning. Tongue cleaning is a very popular Ayurvedic practice. It's very beneficial because it helps you to keep your breath fresh, but more importantly, it helps to remove ama from your tongue, and ama is the toxin that accumulates as a result of poor digestion. Ama, if it's left untreated, will not only produce difficulty with the quality of your breath, but it can also interfere with breathing itself. So the practice of tongue cleaning traditionally is to aid the breath from moving in and out of your body, as well as to purify the air that moves in and out so that we don't have bad breath. Now, tongue cleaning traditionally is called jiva shodhani. Jiva means tongue. Shodhani means to purify. It's also called jiva lekana. Jiva means tongue, and lekana means to scrape. So the practice is sometimes called tongue scraping. But the idea of scraping your tongue probably doesn't sound very appealing. So you'll be happy to know that generally speaking, we don't scrape the tongue. We're really just going over the tongue lightly with an instrument. And in a few moments, I'll be demonstrating that for you. Now, I've already talked about many of the benefits of tongue cleaning. It removes ama from the tongue, it enhances your breath, and it also aids in exhalation. So it aids the breathing going in and out of your body. Now, ama is formed as a result of poor digestion. And poor digestion can be due to any of the doshas in your body. If they become disturbed, the digestive system becomes disturbed. So there is a vata type ama, a pitta type ama, and a kapha type ama. Either way, no matter what kind of ama you have, tongue cleaning is going to be important for removing it. It's that ama that actually interferes with the movement of the breath, and it's the ama that interferes with the cleanliness of your breath. Now, making sure that you don't develop more ama is very important, and that's why Ayurveda places so much attention on healthy digestion and healthy elimination. Now, let me demonstrate for you how to clean your tongue. What you see here is a simple tongue cleaner. This one's made out of stainless steel. They'll be made of different materials. Sometimes they're made out of plastic, sometimes there will be a rubber handle over stainless steel. This shows you just the stainless steel. Now, I like to use stainless steel, or I like to use copper. I like to use the metals rather than the plastic. I think for those of you who are health oriented, you understand that any contact you have with plastic, especially inside your mouth, cannot be healthy. Plastic residue is a toxin that can interfere with the physiology of your body. So I recommend that you use an all metal product, either stainless steel or copper. Now you simply hold it on each side, like you see me doing right here. You stick out your tongue and you move the cleaner from the back of the tongue to the front of the tongue. Now the Ayurvedic texts say that the most important part to clean is going to be in the back of the tongue, but you want to bring it all the way forward from back to front like this. That's all, just like that, and you need to do it about 3 times. And if you do that each morning when you brush your teeth, you'll keep your tongue healthy, and it'll also enhance your breath and remove ama from your body. This is a practice that you can do every day. Now, once you've completed cleansing your tongue, it's a good idea to treat your tongue. Now, if you've had ama on your tongue, or you have cracks in your tongue, or your tongue may be a little bit red or have bumps on them, this can all be treated through Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, after we cleanse the tongue, we're going to apply oil to the tongue. And you can swish your mouth with any kind of an oil. Coconut oils become popular. But you can gargle with it, you can swish with it. It's good for your teeth, it's good for your gums, and it's also good for your tongue. If you have cracks in your tongue, the regular use of oil in your mouth will help those cracks to heal. Now, if you see an Ayurvedic practitioner, an herbal oil can be given to you that'll help to enhance the healing of those cracks. Now, supposing you have red bumps on your tongue. That's due to pitta. The cracks were due primarily to vata. Red bumps and redness of the tongue is due to pitta. And swelling of the tongue and enlargements on the tongue are due to kapha dosha, very thick exudate on the tongue, and a lot of mucus on the tongue would all be due to kapha dosha. When a person is affected by either pitta or kapha dosha, it's good to use the tongue cleaner in a stronger manner. That's why it's called tongue scraping as well. And you can use it in a stronger manner and feel okay with it. And even if it's a little bit rough, it's okay for pitta and it's okay for kapha. But for vata, it needs to be as gentle as possible. So for vata, we're going to utilize oil following the cleansing. For pitta and kapha, we can utilize some oil, but they're going to be dosha-specific oils. So there are some oils, like sunflower oil, that are better for pitta dosha, and some oils, like mustard oil, that are better for kapha dosha. So this is the way in which we can treat the tongue on a daily basis. It really only takes a minute or two in order to do this cleansing and the swishing with the oil. Now, there are people who like to swish with the oil for 5 or 10, 15 minutes. It's not necessary, as long as you do it every day. Really, the benefits of Ayurveda come from daily practice, not from doing something once a week or twice a week, but daily practice. Daily practice for many years, many decades. And over the course of your life, your tongue, your mouth, your taste buds, they'll be much healthier, and your breathing will be much easier. Many blessings to you as you practice cleansing your tongue. Namaste.